Alright guys, so we've been kind of lacking in uploads lately. I apologize for that. We've been busy with school and spring break. Like tomorrow's our last day and then we have spring break, so expect a lot more uploads coming. But we're gonna do a real quick Taotao startup video. We'll just show you how to start it. So first thing is, well, let me get on this side. Your keys right here, and so if it's sideways you can pull it out easy, you know. So like angled is off, and then if it's horizontal it's on. Then you gotta make sure your kill switch is like this. If it's pressed into where the small part's sticking out, then that means the kill switch is on, and then, you know, if the bigger part's out, then that means it's off. And then you got your gas, so wherever the arm is pointing is where it's gonna go. So you got on and then reservoir up there, so you want it pointed down. Then you got a 3-stage choke right here, where if it's like that, where it's pointed down, that's off. Middle is half choke, all the way up is full choke. Alright, so we're gonna start it on a half choke real quick. Yeah. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, but I mean, in a little bit I might do a little 1-month review over this thing, because I've been sending it pretty hard. Also on your little small carburetor right there, you can adjust that. There's that little screw that goes right through there. But yeah, that's just a quick Taotao startup. Yeah, sounds really nice. I'll tell you what, we're gonna take it for a quick little ride. Third gear is pretty boggy. Oh, that was a close one. Thank you. Alright, over a little.